What's up, toy fans? I'm back again with another video on a very annoying sword. It looks really good. I like it. I want that. My goal is to have the green color. Also, the end of it, nice. So, my goal is to get rid of the voice box, but keep the lights. How's that gonna work, guys? 'Cause I'm sure they're all tied together. So, I need this for cosplay. I need this for my Green Ranger stuff. That's the whole point of it. This is my Sword of Radiance. So, turn it off. Check. I'm going to attempt to dissect it with my handy dandy tools. So, right here, I got first one, remove the batteries. Let's see. Will this work? Will this work? Will this work? Alright, so I took a tiny screw out. Get the batteries. Okay, cool. Right? So, they're actually AAAs. Oh, crap. There's 3 of them. You got 2 here. Boom. So one was hidden here. Or there. Yeah, there. There was 3. Go figure, right? Boom. Alright. Now it doesn't light up. It doesn't do anything. So, I want the sound thing removed. Actually, this might be easier than I thought. Okay. Here I got 2 screws, right? And I also got a... Where's that? Right there. Right here, I got a little voice box thing right here. Pretty cool, huh? Well, oh yeah. Also real quick. Where the handle is, right there. That's probably where the light is. I don't know. We'll see. Alright. Let's go ahead and take this out. If I can get to it. I'm trying to. You guys want to see what I'm doing? Hold on. Right here. One screw loose. Huh. Me with a toy channel. Everybody thinks my screws are loose. I don't care. Still won't come out. So what I'll do is show my nail in there real quick. Let's get these screws out. Got a tinier bit. A tinier bit. Which I do. Let's use that one instead. Back. This is a cool little set. I love this little set right here. It's actually I picked up at Walmart not too long ago. Of course it was green, so of course I had to get it. Okay, that's even better. Uh-oh. It's working. It's working, guys. There's 1. 2. Right there. A couple little screws. Check. Alright. I wonder if I have to take this whole thing apart to get anywhere. Just in case, I'm going to disconnect this right here so I don't snap this plastic in half. Sorry it's taking so long, guys. Boom. Nope, still there. Yep, got it. Check. Okay, so what I'm looking for is... Oh, there it is. right there, the noisemaker itself. A little, looks like a sound system thing. So what I'm going to do is see if I can pull that out of there without breaking the circuit. Hold on, I need something to pry with. Give me 1 second. So guys, I failed mission on trying to find my flat tip screwdriver. So what I'm probably gonna have to do is take this whole cover off. So, because originally I was actually gonna use a flat tip version of this. Obviously it's a number 2. And well, take all the screws out. Because I don't want to break nothing. I want to disassemble something and see if it works. But I do not want to break it because I need it for stuff. So, sorry about that. But, let's see. This is a really cool sword band. I ain't gonna lie. But I don't like the noise on it because, you know, if I want a noisemaker, I want to be able to push a button on it and it makes noise. So, I'm guessing that is. My screwed up part is. Oh, hold on. That popped off. Get a little bump here. No problem. Let's take that off real quick. Which drops. Ooh, wires. Oh, of course I dropped some. We got the sword. The sword. So what did I drop? Oh man. I dropped a little cover to something. So we'll put you in here. You in here. Let's see. Okay, so the sound is separate. I like that actually. So what I'm going to do is, instead of removing it, you know what? I know what I'm going to do. Give me 1 second. Okay. Alright guys, so I got 2 here. I don't have any Sharpies. No problem. No problem. I'm gonna put lines on this one. Actually, that comes right out. You know what? Let's not have filmmakers. I'm quiet. I don't know, guys. I should keep that. Actually, we're gonna keep them. I'm just gonna get some pliers real quick. Oh, pliers. What I'm gonna do is, just in case later on, I feel like putting them back together. Left side's black. Luckily I have this video to look back on, right? Okay, that's cut. Let's put that back in there. Okay, you got the loose wires here. Let's hide them in here. Which probably won't stay there, but okay. Of course, you got stuff that are turning loose now. Slide that back on there. Remember, you're gonna need that. Alright. This part. Oh, that's probably for the light bulb. Oh, right there. Makes sense. Okay. So, I'm going to put the light bulb back in here. Okay. Yep. Goes right through there. Check. Huh. But you see, now my white wire is sticking out. There's no power going to it, so I'm okay. And it's not plugging to a wall. So, it's even better. Now I'm going to I don't even know where that part goes. Whatever. Let's test something real quick. We got batteries. So, is it this way? I think. That way? Nope, wrong way. Sorry. Sorry, guys. False advertisement, right? So, that way, and that way. Of course, the white wire comes out. Let's put that back in there. Okay, closed. Now I got here. This is the button. There it is. Look, no noise makers. Oh, I love it, guys. I love it. All right, so let's put this joker back together real quick. Probably better if we put this guy back on first because it held it pretty much together. So, okay, good. Now we start putting other stuff together. Like first, I'm just gonna put the screws together real quick because they are all the same. Pretty cool, huh? And all the parts are in there. And if you want to put it back together, well, hope you're an electrician. Because I'm not. But at the same time, you know, a little electrical tape, put them together. That's why I marked it with this pen, so I know where it came from. Pretty cool, huh? And like I said, this is a sword I picked up from, I just Google green sword, green light sword. It popped up online. It was like $7 plus shipping and handling and stuff. Came in a little package. Nothing fancy, nothing special. But it made so much noise. And I got so tired of the noise, guys. It was just like, okay, my roommate's sleeping. Okay, check. The Green Ranger doesn't make this kind of noise. Okay. What am I doing with this thing? So I'm like, I really need to do something with it, but it needs to be quiet. Because I don't like a lot of stuff. I like being silent and quiet. So, I am missing a screw though. Not in there. Oh, there it is. Check. But pretty much, when you use something like this, take it apart, be responsible, kind of put something, find something to put your stuff in. Like, obviously I put it back where my tool goes. So, kind of nice. Well guys, hope you enjoyed. So I sure did. It's nice and kitties. Now I can make my own noises. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.